Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
First, optimize your internet connection before updating Roblox. Use a wired Ethernet connection at 50 Mbps or higher for faster downloads. Restart your router and modem if speed seems slow. Close background apps that use bandwidth before starting the Roblox update. Pause or stop cloud backups and large downloads temporarily to free capacity. Ensure at least 1 GB of free disk space before updating Roblox. Reboot your computer to clear cached network issues. These steps establish a stable, fast baseline for a quicker update. Next, adjust system settings to reduce installation delays. Set Roblox and the Roblox launcher to run as administrator for smoother installation and file writes. Temporarily disable antivirus or add Roblox to exclusions during the update process to avoid file scanning slowdowns. Update Windows or Mac OS network drivers before trying a Roblox update to improve transfer stability. Close unnecessary startup programs that may lock files. Run the Roblox installer directly from the official launcher after these changes. These steps reduce software conflicts and speed the update flow. Finally, apply advanced optimizations and troubleshooting if updates stall. Clear Roblox cache by removing the Roblox app data folder before reinstalling, then relaunch the launcher. Use a reliable DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to potentially improve download routing and reduce time. If updates fail repeatedly, uninstall Roblox and reinstall after backing up local settings and files. Test updates on another network or device to isolate the issue. Contact Roblox support with your system and network details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.